All farm vehicles are equipped with hydraulics that can provide high forces when needed. The hydraulic system is a highly sensitive oil circuit. This system requires a certain oil cleanliness to avoid component wear or failure. For example, a hydraulic piston can be more sensitive than a hydraulic pump when unfiltered particles are going through. Therefore, the system can have up to 5 different filters, from low pressure to middle and high pressure. The cleanliness depends on making the right selection of these filters. Here are some tips and tricks to meet the right system cleanliness. Improve hydraulic filtration by selecting high-performance filters. The importance of a tank breather is a little underestimated. At this point, the closed hydraulic system has an opening that can bring in a lot of contamination. Donaldson tank breathers filter out fine dust and moisture from the air before it enters the tank. They are easy to install and effectively protect the hydraulic fluids in your tank. Also, the other hydraulic filters can be improved by selecting high-performance filter media. At the end of the day, it's the media that's protecting your equipment and that contributes to higher filtration efficiency and hydraulic performance.